Hi, this is Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and today we're going to talk about the common mistakes homeowners make when spring cleaning their home. The first one is not having a plan. What I suggest is maybe you start with the bedrooms, or maybe you're just going to start with the kitchen. Just focus on one starting point and have that plan in place. The next thing is expecting to do everything in one day. A lot of times that's not practical and it's really not reasonable because we just might not have enough time. So don't put that expectation on yourself. Another thing is don't clean all by yourself. A lot of times invite a friend over or a family member over and make it fun. That way you're going to enjoy doing the whole process of cleaning the house. Another thing homeowners will commonly make a mistake by doing is not tackling the tough jobs. A tough job could be maybe doing the baseboards or maybe doing the air return vent. Those are many things that a potential buyer are going to be looking at as far as the cleanliness. Another mistake homeowners commonly make is thinking that they need to use one cleaning product. There's so many different products out on the market that specialize maybe in floors, could be countertops, it could be mirrors. So don't think that you need to use just one product. Use a product that specializes for those different areas in your home. Another mistake that homeowners can commonly make is using just one tool to clean the home. Many times they think, oh, we'll just use one dish rag or one broom. So what I recommend is using a variety of tools that are specific for the job at hand. Again, my name is Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and thank you so much for watching this video. If there's ever a real estate topic that you would like to know more about, please reach out to me. My contact information is below, or you can just email me or call me. I look forward to hearing from you.